Hi everyone, my name's Thomas. I'm a solicitor at Cyclists Scotland, and I just want to share with you a few tips I think you might find helpful for when you're riding your bike out on the road as lockdown restrictions begin to ease. Now at Cyclists Scotland we're still helping cyclists who have been involved in road traffic accidents, and we've noticed there's been a few relatively common incidents involving pinch points at junctions and roundabouts, and we thought these tips might help educate other cyclists as to what you can do to protect yourself. Now, because cyclists are a vulnerable road user, it's really important that you try and ride defensively. Motorcyclists are great at this. Ultimately, you're looking out for yourself more than anything. Never assume you have right of way. Always look to give way to the things that are bigger than you, which is most of the vehicles on the road, frankly, and try and ride in that defensive manner. Tip number one would probably be to watch for the behaviour of both drivers and their vehicles. Try and look out for wheel movements, and also try and get eye contact with the drivers. If you're approaching a junction or roundabout and you've got eye contact and you know the driver's seen you, it gives you confidence to progress onto that roundabout and onwards with your journey. Ultimately as well, another tip to help you is looking ahead. So tip number two would be looking ahead. If you keep your vision up and extend it, you can spot things much earlier than you might normally would. So you'll see that driver poking out of that junction, you'll see that person who's speeding onto the roundabout who hasn't seen you. If you keep your head up, it's a good way to spot danger early and potential hazards. Third tip I'd give, these boys. Keep the brakes covered. As a mountain biker, this is vital because you're often trying to avoid trees and rocks, but I don't see it so often on road cyclists or people who commute regularly. If you keep your fingers poised on the brakes at all times, it allows you to react just that bit quicker, and it could be the difference between you hitting that vehicle or avoiding it. So ultimately, stay safe, have fun, and enjoy the ride when you're out there. Thanks.